In MuleSoft 4, Anypoint Design Center provides a central hub for designing, documenting, and collaborating on API specifications and Mule application integrations. It enables a spec-driven approach to development, promoting reusability, consistency, and better communication between technical teams. Here's how it's used. 1. API Design and Specification. API Designer. Create and document APIs using a web-based interface, supporting OpenAPI, RAML, and async API specifications. Reusability. Define API fragments for common components and share them across projects. Collaboration. Share specifications with team members for feedback and version control. Automated documentation. Generate API documentation automatically from specifications. 2. Integration Flow Design. Flow Designer. Visually design Mule application flows using a drag-and-drop interface. Auto suggestions. Leverage pre-built components and data models for faster development. Data Weave Scripting. Perform complex data transformations directly within your flows. Testing and debugging. Test your flows and debug issues within Design Center. 3. Sharing and collaboration. Publish assets, share APIs and integrations publicly or privately with your organization or the MuleSoft community. Discovery and reuse. Browse and reuse existing assets from within Design Center or Anypoint Exchange. Version control. Manage different versions of APIs and integrations and track changes. Benefits of using Anypoint Design Center. Faster development. Accelerate development with API fragments, pre-built components, and visual design tools. Improved quality. Standardize API and integration design through specifications and code reuse. Enhanced collaboration. Foster communication and feedback loops between teams. Increased visibility. Gain insights into API usage and track project progress. Who should use Anypoint Design Center? API designers and developers. Integration architects and specialists. DevOps engineers and release managers. Product owners and business analysts. Remember, Anypoint Design Center is a valuable tool for promoting a collaborative and productive approach to API and integration development. Consider its features and benefits to see if it aligns with your development needs and team processes. Additional resources. MuleSoft Design Center documentation. Link to docs.mulesoft.com. MuleSoft API Management Platform. Invalid URL removed. I hope this comprehensive explanation clarifies the use of Anypoint Design Center in MuleSoft 4. Feel free to ask if you have any further questions or specific use cases you'd like to discuss.